In front of us we have the Apple Watch Ultra, and today we'll be showing you how to replace the battery. You'll be able to find the battery and any other parts for repairs for the Apple Watch Ultra in the description below, and we'll jump right into it. First thing we'd want to do is pull off the screen, and this will be the most delicate portion of the repair. It will be very easy to damage the LCD. To start, we're going to go and use a air gun, roughly at around 170 degrees Celsius. Next, we're going to use some alcohol and our pry tool here, just so that we can soften up some of the adhesive. So you'll want to go all the way down into it. And we would want to slowly work our way around, because the actual screen is so fragile. If you just try and lift up from one side, you're pretty much guaranteed to crack it. So you just have to slowly work around the watch face. So this left side's already starting to pick up. We're going to go over to the right. Now, to have a little bit more extra room to move around in there, I'm just going to bring back this tape a little bit. Alright, now the battery is held on by 4 screws here. We are going to grab the Y 0.8 bit. Now we have the connection for the battery right here, so we'll go ahead and disconnect it. And that's the battery right there. So you'll be able to buy a replacement part in the description below. And to put it back in, we just do the opposite. So you'll have your new battery. And we will just connect the battery after we are done with the installation. Now the last step would be to seal the watch back up. So we're going to go ahead and just clean up all the surfaces and apply some adhesive to it and seal it up. Alright, now we just gotta wait for the screen to adhere to the housing here. And that's how you would replace the battery on an Apple Watch Ultra.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.